Welcome to another home economics online class. Today you're going to be making apple crumble. Download the recipe and preheat your oven to 180 or gas mark 4. You will need the following ingredients for one person: 2 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon of flour, a tablespoon of butter, a teaspoon of white sugar, a clove, a tablespoon of coconut, a tablespoon of rolled oats, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 apple. You will also need equipment, so a mixing bowl, a chopping board, a chef knife and a paring knife, a ramekin dish, baking paper, and you need to grease the inside of the ramekin dish with a little bit of butter, a spatula or a wooden spoon, a potato peeler, and let's begin by coring the apple. So place the corer over the top of the apple and push into the apple and twist and turn all until it goes all the way through the apple to the other side, removing the apple core. Now you're going to peel the apple. Now we're going to chop the apple, so hold your hand like a bridge and place the knife in between and cut the apple into 2, and then again repeat the process. Now you holding your hand like a claw, you're going to chop the apple into very small pieces. And try and make them all a similar size. Okay, so placing your hand on top of the knife now, keeping your fingers out of the way, you're going to chop the apple into really small pieces now. So in the greased ramekin dish, place the apple at the bottom. You may need to add a little bit of the white sugar. It depends on the apple that you're using. Add the clove, add the water, and then sprinkle with nutmeg and cinnamon that's been combined together. Like so. Now let's make the crumble. So in a separate mixing bowl, add the butter, and then add the flour to the butter. Using your fingertips, rub the butter into the flour like shown. Now add the rolled oats, add the coconut, and add the brown sugar. Combine everything together. I like to use my fingers. Now add the crumble to the ramekin dish. You may need to press down. Using your fingers just to smooth until the ramekin dish is full. Now you can add a little bit more nutmeg and cinnamon. Now place on a baking tray Set the timer for 30 minutes and bake in a preheated oven. So when the apple crumble is cooked, turn it upside down so that the apple will now be on top, and add either fresh cream or ice cream. Present. Serve. And enjoy. Home Eco Online.